What's up mga kapepe? Ang isa naman sa protected area ng Quezon Province ang pinuntahan ng biyahe ni Pepe. Ang Quezon National Forest Park o Quezon Protected Landscape o mas kilala sa tawag na Bitukang Manok. Isa ito sa protected area sa Pilipinas, spanning the municipalities of Pagbilao, Padre Burgos at Timonan sa Quezon Province. The park is located about 164 kilometers southeast of Metro Manila. The nearest city in this protected park is Lucena City. The natives called it Bitukang Manok because of its formation like the intestine of the chicken. It was built during the reign of the late former President Ferdinand Marcos in 1969. Ang pwede lang dumaan dito mga kapepe ay mga 4 wheels at mga motorcycle kasi sobrang accident prone ang area na ito. Ang Bitukang Manok ang nagsisilbing gateway from Northern Quezon to South. If you are up for some challenging driver skills, well, you must try this one. Since the way is narrow, slippery and dangerous, especially in raining, in some turning point, you need to stop and wait for the incoming motorist to pass through on the other side. Kung first timer ka lang dito mga kapepe, I suggest na pumunta kayo dito during sunny days at huwag kayo magpapaabot ng dilim dahil may mga some haunted and ghost stories na nagiging dahilan na madalas na aksidente ng mga motorista. During sunny days mo kasi makikita mga kapepe ang napakagandang view dito sa protected area na to. The park is known for its virgin forest, teeming with numerous wildlife with several species endemic in the Philippines, tulad ng monitor lizard, monkey, bear, wild fig, dove, pigeon, at marami pang iba. At noong April 2010, the Northern Sierra Madre Forest monitor lizard, Varanus pitatawa, o mas kilala sa tawag na butikaw, was discovered by the Western world. During the Philippine Revolution, the flag was raised on the mountain signifying the conquest of the region. Hindi lang pang rides ang lugar na to mga kapepe, kundi napakayaman pala nitong lugar na to sa kasaysayan. Don't forget to like, share, and follow Biyahe ni Pepe.